day. So we have here the number 5 question in the 2024 bar exam in political law. Umaran Iranian national was admitted in the Philippines as a refugee. After more than 10 years in the Philippines, Umar filed a petition for naturalization as a Filipino citizen. The trial court found that Omar possessed all the qualifications and come of the and none of the disqualification. To become a Filipino citizen, however, the office of the Solicitor General opposed the petition because the laws of Iran do not grant reciprocal rights to Filipinos to become naturalized citizens. Will the lack of the reciprocity requirement bar Omar's application for naturalization? Answer yes. The lack of the reciprocity requirement bar Omar's application for naturalization. Under the law, when an alien may be disqualified when he applies for naturalization when he 1. Is opposed to organized government. 2. As a believer in violence as a means to expose an idea. 3. Is a polygamist or believer in polygamy. 4. Has been convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude. 5. Has incurable, incurable disease. 6. Has not mingled socially with Filipinos or he has not embraced Filipino culture, ideals, and customs. 7. Is a citizen of a country where with which the Philippines is at war during the time of such war. And 8. Is a citizen or national by a country which does not grant same naturalization to Filipinos no reciprocity. Here, it is clear as broad daylight that Omar is under the item number 8, which states as is a citizen or national of a country which does not grant same naturalization to Filipinos. No reciprocity. Thus, he can't be naturalized. So that's the final answer for the question number 5 in the 2024 bar exam in political law. So in number 6, we have the problem here. The Congress passed a law prohibiting the transmission of commercial electronic communication with the use of a computer system which seeks to advertise, sell, or offer products and services without prior consent of the recipient. The digital marketplace buy and ship online BSO questioned the constitutionality of the law for being a class legislation because it specifically targets online business. The BSO added that the measure cannot be tested using the strict scrutiny test because it interferes with the exercise of fundamental rights since commercial advertisement are forms of free speech and expression. In contrast, the Office of the Solicitor General invoked the rational basis test and argued that the state has a legitimate interest to protest, protect the public from unsolicited advertisement. Considering the levels of judicial scrutiny, what is the proper test to determine the constitutionality of the subject law? Explain. Answer. strictest community scrutiny test. So that's my answer. So here are the legal basis. A government action that restricts freedom of speech or of the press based on content is given the strictest scrutiny in light of the inherent and invasive impact. Only when the Challenge Act has overcome the clear and present danger rule will it pass constitutional muster. INC versus CA 328 Bill 893 1996, with the government having the burden of overcoming the presumed unconstitutionality. So, unless the government can overcome this presumption, the content-based restraint will be struck down. ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation versus Comelec 380 Bill 780 2000. With respect to content-based restriction, the government must also show the type of harm the speech sought to be restrained would bring about, especially the gravity and the imminence of the threatened harm. Otherwise, the prior restraint will be invalid. Prior restraint on speech based on its content cannot be justified by hypothetical fears, but only by showing a substantive and imminent evil that has taken the like of a reality life of a reality already on ground. As formulated, the question in every case is whether the words used in such circumstances and are of such nature as to create a clear and present danger that they will bring about the substantive evils that Congress has a right to prevent it. It is question of proximity and degree. ABS-CBN versus Comelec. The regulation which restricts the speech content must also serve an important or substantial government interest which is unrelated to the suppression of the expression. Chavez versus Raul Gonzalez et al. GR number 168338, February 15, 2008. CG Pono. Source: Political Law by Judge Albano Sr. Deceased. So that's it. That's for number 5 and 6 question in the past recent 2024 bar exam in political law. Thank you for listening and watching. God bless and good day.